kusog na sila mag repeat after me. Marami nagmodule. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Katrina, and in this video, we're gonna learn a few French words or phrases that will be helpful on your next visit in France. So I'm actually making this video for my friends and family nga nag-promise ako nga bistaon kuno ko diri inig mahuman na ning COVID-19. So, while wala pa siya nahuman, mag-practice na sa inyo ha. Para inigabot ninyo dire, wala na mo-correct. Bitaw, over the next videos, I will also be sharing my visa application experience, the tourist spots that you can visit for 3 to 4 days here in France. So if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you won't miss any upcoming videos in my channel. So magsugod ta! So the first word that we will learn is, I'm sure you've guessed it already, it's the word bonjour. But you're not just gonna learn how to say bonjour. You have to learn bonjour madame or bonjour monsieur. Okay, it's a sign of respect or acknowledgement man to the other person. So you don't just say bonjour. Dapat para naitahod mo ana ka bonjour madame or bonjour monsieur. So bonjour means good morning or hello in French, and madame is ma'am, and monsieur is like a sir. So again, repeat after me. Marami nagmodule. Okay? So you say, bonjour madame or bonjour monsieur. Ana. Ha? Also, it is very important nga every conversation here, it always starts with bonjour. Now, it may sound funny, maybe, but it's a sign of respect, manggod or tahod. So, bisag ato ba karon sa cashier, ay ka mo bayad, mingon jud kag bonjour. Mo palit ka og croissant sa boulangerie, ay ka mo mangutana og tagpila ba ni, mingon jud kag bonjour. Bisag asa, as in everywhere mag-start jud kag bonjour. Bisag mosulod lang gani ka og kanang murag sari-sari store diri, mo ana na kag bonjour sa cashier everywhere. Kung magbayad nagka sa imo ang grocery, moingon kag bonjour sa bonjour sa cashier. Tanan jud, as in every conversation must start with bonjour. Kay kung dili, murang mag-disrespectful. Okay, next is s'il vous plaît. Again, say it with me. S'il vous plaît. Alright, s'il vous plaît means please, and we all know what please means. So any request you want to ask, you must always finish the sentence with s'il vous plaît. Next is the word thank you in French, which is merci. Say it with me. Merci. Strong ra kayo. Ana, pwede ana. Merci. Dili ra kayo. Or merci beaucoup. It means thank you very much. So, beaucoup. Kanang butong basta to beaucoup. So, wala ka, merci beaucoup, and thank you very much. So, I think it's quite easy. But ayaw lang yun po ng mercy. Lahi mo ng mercy sa merci. So, merci. Kusog na sila mag Alright, next, excusez-moi. Now, it means excuse me. So, let's say naaba ka sa subway station or moagi ka bisag asa, ang nagnailang tao, mayon ka, excusez-moi, or kinahanglan mo attend ang waiter sa imuha, ana na, excusez-moi, it means excuse me. Again, excusez-moi. Pwede ra sad, pardon, kana, mas sayon, isa ra ka word, pardon, which is pardon, pardon me, ana, pardon, ana. For the fifth word, it will be au revoir. Say it with me. Au revoir, which means goodbye. So for the moment, you've learned 5 words which are already helpful and you will already sound respectful sa mga French people there. So, but there is more, so we'll proceed. Next will be de rien, not the fruit de rien, but sounds like, no? De rien, which means you're welcome. Say it with me. De rien. De rien. Next is Another popular word, which means yes in English, is oui. Oui. And the no is non. No. 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 No, no, no. Another is the word sorry. In French, it's désolé. Désolé. Kani mas taas na. Parlez-vous anglais? Which means, do you speak English? Again, parlez-vous anglais? Alright. Dayon, kung wala ka kasabot, bayong kag, je ne comprends pas. It means, I don't understand. So, je ne comprends pas. Je ne comprends pas. Oh, marag kanta. Dali ra ni kaayo. So, Nod, where is the subway station? Or where is the metro? You say, où est le métro? So, où is where, est is, and then the metro is le métro. So, où est le métro? So, bisag ka na lang où est, then sumpayan na nimo kung unsa man imo pangitaon. For example, où est la gare? Which is, where is the train station? But kung plural, mo yung kag, où sont les toilettes? Dali mo, nang complicated ni sila kay mag-change. Dagan kay usub-usub. But anyway, sige lang, kaya na to kay bright beata. Abi pa lang, dito ka mao. Okay. Again, kung mangita mo sa toilet, may yung kag, où sont les toilettes? Où sont les toilettes? Next phrase is para ni sa mga shopaholic. So, kung mungutan na lang ka, tagpila ni, mga ka, combien ça coûte? Combien is how much, ça coûte, kani. So, combien ça coûte? How much is this? Again, combien ça coûte? Kani medyo taas-taas na siya, but if you need help, or you think you will need help, then you might as well learn this phrase. Okay, so you say, pouvez-vous m'aider s'il vous plaît? So, ang please is nasa last. Pouvez-vous is can you help me please? Is pouvez-vous m'aider s'il vous plaît? Again, pouvez-vous m'aider s'il vous plaît? So, can you help me please? Like literal translation is, can you help me please? Pouvez-vous m'aider s'il vous plaît? When you say, I don't speak French, you say, je ne parle pas français. Again, je ne parle pas français. So, I don't speak French. Je ne parle pas français. Next, okay means d'accord. 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 Dili dako. D'accord. Ipagan ra mo ang mouth. D'accord. Ayo kay bugata. Kabo ko na may mga bisdak dire. Ayo kay d'accord. D'accord. It means okay. Although kasabot ra pud sila kung mayong kag okay. Mayong kag okay. So the next one is I would like in French. So you say je voudrais. Then you continue with whatever you want. For example, you say je voudrais un croissant s'il vous plaît. So I would like a croissant please. So kung naka sa tindahan, mayroon na ka je voudrais un this one please s'il vous plaît. And for the last one, kay basi magdugo na tong ilong din. Mayroon kag c'est tout. C'est tout, marag that's all. C'est tout. It is all, but it means that's all. So, that's all for today. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up button and the subscribe button. And let me know in the comments below if you want to learn more French words that I can maybe teach you here in YouTube. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one very soon. So, à bientôt. Au revoir. Bisous.